Island there, island there, and another one over there, and probably 3 more behind us. We are going island hopping today in Sabah. These are the most picturesque islands you will see here in this region. They're collectively known as the Tunku Abdul Rahman Marine Parks, and they belong to the state of Malaysia. So we're at the jetty right now, waiting for our boat to arrive, and this is where you should buy your tickets from. Before you can even jump on a boat, you need to buy tickets, and to get tickets you need to go to the Jesselton Point Marina, where they have several counters from different companies. They all offer pretty much similar prices, and they offer single island tickets or multiple island tickets. We chose to get the multiple island tickets because it worked out slightly cheaper. So if you jump in on these fast boats, you need to wear a life jacket. You don't know. These boats are very fast indeed. This is Sapi Island. On my left you can see the beautiful main beach, and that's where we'll be going to do snorkeling over there. The beach is really nice and sandy. And behind me on my right is the zip line where the 2 islands meet from Gaya to Sapi. We're gonna go ziplining, and we're taking this boat to the Gaya Island, which you can see over there. That's Gaya Island, and that's Sapi Island. It's ready to rock and roll. I really don't like heights, and this is making me nervous right now. Absolutely gutted because I couldn't get the footage. The battery died out on my action camera, otherwise I would have got some really nice shot from that zip line. I had to use this camera, but obviously the lens isn't wide enough, so devastated. This was an awesome experience. If you come to Sapi Island, you've got to do the zip lining thing. Something that I've never done before, and I highly recommend it to everyone. Jumped on this local boat from the jetty. We're on our way to one of the most popular islands here, the Manukan Island. Manukan is the 2nd largest island in this whole area, with Gaya being the largest, and it's only a 10-minute ride from Kota Kinabalu, and it's the most popular island for the local residents there. So this is Manukan Island. You can see the water is so green. This is amazing, wow, look at it. So it's been an amazing day here at the Manukan Island. We spent about 3 hours chilling and relaxing, managed to dip into the sea for a bit. We had food, got some coconut water, and last but not least I managed to fly my drone. Not here, but somewhere behind me on the other side. So this is the end of our island hopping trip, and we're just waiting for our boat to arrive. We're going to go straight back to the city, and guess what? I haven't finished here because I'm going to go straight into the rooftop pool and take a quick dip and enjoy the views of the islands from the infinity pool over there. If you stay tuned till the end, then you know exactly what I mean. In the meantime, if you liked watching this video, then do subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you hit the bell button to stay up to date with my latest contents. We ziplined from one island to the other, and that was an awesome experience. You guys should do it. We swam all day, we snorkeled all day, and we did a lot of activities over there. Still, it doesn't finish because I'm back in my rooftop. I want to swim again.